guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do my face wax and underarm from home. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's get started. You will need a hair tie. You do want to put your hair back because you do not want to have any wax getting in your hair. Okay, so I got everything ready. I am going to start now by already telling you what you really need. So you need a wax pot. I will link down below the one that I have. It's plugged in right now, so I can't lift it up. I use paper towel just to put the cleansing before and after. You will need baby powder. You'll need a cleansing. This is a before and after. It's good to prep your skin with it, and then after it also helps to take off all the leftover wax that you have on your face. You will need sticks, large ones, small ones. So I will link them down below. And then I personally like to have the ultra thin ones. It's just to clean a little bit under my eyebrows. I am an esthetician licensed, but I do not like to do my own eyebrows just because I feel like your eyebrows are very important because it's your whole face. I only clean under, and I will not show on this video how to do your eyebrows because I can do it on people, but to do it on myself is another story. I don't want to get too close, and then if there's leftovers, I just pluck them. I'd rather have someone professional do it, and the rest of my face though, I'll do it by myself. Like I said, I could do it on people,
but on myself is another story.
So anyways, so I already have my wax pot plugged in. Oh, and you need a bag, like bag, whatever, a grocery plastic bag, just so that could be like your trash, unless you want to have like another trash. You need to check if your wax is ready to go. I use sear peel. It's hard wax. I don't like soft wax. I feel like soft wax just irritates your skin more. I don't know, I just feel like soft wax is, I don't like soft wax, and especially if you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend it. You want to see if it's ready, you drop it. And if by 3,000, so you count 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and if by 3,000 it drops, it means it's ready to go. Okay, so to prep your skin, I'm wearing gloves right now because I'm gonna wear them now. So I just don't want the wax to get on my nails. You don't have to wear it since it's at home, but if you are doing it professionally, then you wear gloves, okay? So to start off, I am going to use the cleansing. This one is from Sear Peel Blue. And you're just gonna go over your face with it. I have peach fuzz, and I just don't like it, especially when I do my makeup. Take your baby powder and just put a little bit on your face. This will help the wax latch better on your skin. I always start with my cheeks. I don't know why, but that's what I do. There you go. I'm gonna do the other side too. This is called speed waxing because I'm doing different places at the same time. So I'm applying downwards for now. Another thing I want to tell you, if this is the first time you're starting to do this or the first time you're just doing this, just wear a t-shirt that you don't really care, or if you're doing this at home, you can just do it without your t-shirt. I'm just doing it because I'm on camera. Okay, so it's already ready to pull. Are you ready? You want to hold your skin. This is what I see a lot of people don't do. You hold your skin like this and you pull it. And then the other side, you hold it. The pain is never gonna go away. So the first time I did downward, so now I'm doing upward. Mess it up, it's okay. You can always go over. Now, I'll give you a tip. If there's wax left, you just take the one you just pulled off, the sticky side, and you just go in and grab the small ones like that. I'm gonna start doing my chin. Left day, I Okay, so now that you finish your chin, I like to go both sides just to make sure. So I went from this to this side, and I'm going from right to left.
Alright. And get your leftovers.
I like to do my nose. People say that doing on top of your nose removes your blackheads. I feel like it's true. So your sunburns, you want to make sure your hair is all the way tucked behind your ear. And just be careful to not go too much on your hair, because when you rip it off, it will rip hair off. Remember that. Woo! And now my nose is all soft. This side is already dry, so we can start taking this off too. Okay, so while I do this side, I'm going to do the other one too, since they don't touch each other. Okay, you guys, I just want to let you know, this is another big rule in the aesthetic world. You do not double dip in a wax pot. You do not. Okay, but if it's yours at home, you can double dip as many times as you want. If you're doing this as a professional job, then you do not want to double dip your sticks. This is the #1 huge rule. This is ready to pull. So you hold it, hold your skin taut. Woo! This one hurt! I hate hair, oh my god. I like to do the neck. A lot of people do small patches. I don't like small patches, I like big patches, so it's done pretty quickly. If the wax is too liquidy, don't use it. And make sure you stir your wax a lot of time, because the bottom can get really hot. And also to check if it's too hot for you, you can check it on your wrist before you start waxing. So if you check it on your wrist and it's too hot, then you want to wait a little bit and turn your wax pot down. The last thing you want is to burn yourself. If you do your neck, this is where you might pour wax on your skin if you're not good at it. I can't really see, that's why I usually do it in front of a mirror, a big mirror. Now I'm doing it on this small mirror and I can't really see. Now the middle part and then the neck is already done. You can also use your stick, and if it's still a little sticky, you can use that part to grab all the small pieces that are left on your face. Of course, your face is going to be a little bit red because, you know, you're waxing, you're pulling hair, but it will go down after a while. Let's start with the lip. You use the small stick. You just put a small amount like this. You are going to start from outside to inside and only half of the lip. I'm gonna pull this one first because that's the first one I applied. And you wanna pull it not too slow, but like if you pull too fast, the hair is not gonna come off completely. You really wanna get all the hair out. Now you did from outside to inside, now you're gonna do inside to outside, each side. You wanna apply as much pressure as you can while you're applying the wax, because then the wax will touch the hair, you know what I mean? The second time you pull, it's not as painful as the first time because you already pulled full mass of hair before. Charlie Chaplin one. Let me show you. A lot of people forget to do the middle part. That's where there's a lot of hair too. So that's what I like to do. Hold your mouth. Now I really look like Charlie Chaplin. Okay, so now you're gonna do the corners. Now I'm gonna do the lower lip. Lower lip is hard to get to. Now we're moving on to the eyebrows. Like I said, I do not want to touch my eyebrow. It's your choice to do it at home, but I'm not doing it. So I take those ones because they're thinner, and I'm just gonna hold my eyebrow. Okay, I need to focus for this one. I don't want to mess it up. Then the leftovers, you just pluck it because you really don't want to wax if it's just for 1 or 2 hairs. You don't want to mess it up. Now I'm going to take the bigger small stick, the thicker one. I'm going to do my unibrow. So for this, you also want to be careful. There are rules for eyebrows, but I'm not going to explain that over here. For the nose part, you're gonna dip your stick just a tiny bit, not all of it, like this. See? Like that. But you don't want to go further than here. So you can touch that wax and see if it's hard. This one is, so it's ready to pull. So to pull, don't freak out, okay? You're gonna be fine. It really does not hurt. It looks like it's painful, but it's really not painful. Trust me on this one. Eyebrows hurt way more than pulling this out on your nose. Hold your nose, okay? You want to pinch it, and then you want to have a good grip. Pull it. Don't slow down. Don't go slow. Just pull it, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Let's do the other side. You just let it dry. Also, another thing I wanted to tell you, do not tilt your head backwards when you're doing this. If you tilt your head backwards, the wax will go up your nose, and you do not want this to happen. So just, you know, stay like this. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna do my underarm. So to do your underarms, you're gonna prep them too. You wanna put baby powder, okay? Once it's dry, you are ready to pull it. Hair is off. I'm so happy, and now I'm gonna do the other side. are all done. Once you are finished with your wax, you can reapply your product on top of it. That is it. Now my skin is all nice and smooth and I am able to put my makeup on, and this is why I wax my face. I will link down below all the products that I've used. But let me know what wax you guys like to use. I personally like to use Peel, but if you guys like other wax, let me know on my comments and I would like to see and try them too. Have a good day. Bye guys.